These cherries are almost ready. They're still green on the stems, but I think I'm gonna get some today before the birds uh, could tear it down, because they are quick. Once they see these red berries, they are quick to come. As you can hear them, they're already bustling around. They want me to get out of here so they can eat. I tried to cover them with that netting, but it does not seem to work. And look at that bird. Even when I'm here, it's not even scared that I'm here. Look. Yeah, and these birds are feisty too. Hey birdies, don't finish my fruits. Oh my gosh, I'm here and look at that bird. It's not even scared of me.